ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Ke India kalazang bansam diesel sha Bangladesh lyngba ka pipeline ka bayat hapdeng ari ka balong ka sinjam ka ba kongsan ha ka ba penklan ya ka jinge trailang ha kalyang ka boarding hapdeng ki artli kiri katkum ka jinge te kular hapdeng ari hadu menta ladap pynpoi san hajar tons ka diesel sha Bangladesh chairman jong ka Bangladesh Petroleum Corporation Muhammad Reznur Rahman ula pentikna ya ka India kan sapen biang shilak prapo hajar ton ki diesel manla ka shisnam lyngba u pipeline kani ka jingpen poi diesel ka baningkong kalong shibenta na kani ka jingyate kular manla usnam
Bangladesh will import 180,000 tons of diesel from India's state-run Numaligarh refinery limited by December this year. The deal, valued at 14.62 billion taka, will see diesel transported to Siliguri before onward supply into Bangladesh. The agreement underlines India's role as a key and reliable energy supplier to its eastern neighbor. Despite periodic political tensions, Dhaka continues to depend on Indian refineries for essential fuel requirements, reinforcing the depth of India-Bangladesh economic interdependence.